say I want now because of waiting our governor don't do for Akoko Edo. Our governor don't at least 15 good roads for Akoko Edo. That is all. Let that know some of them. So I beg, on that 25th, make we not tire, make we not vex the one of you. Make we make sure we stay there. Make sure we go. Make sure we stay there. Make they can't be both. Make they transmit them to their server before we export the materials and everything to be at the World Collation Center. Now from there, we have to go home. Then before that, look at that not good. Follow the materials. You are here? You are here? You are go out? Yes, so on that note, I say, may God bless all of you and may God bless the works of our hands. So, tomorrow, we get our senatorial Edo North rally for Auchi. Ulalo, this is our power. When they were Modiso, was 10 and was 6. Look at our carrier. We have here those who are ready to decamp. Mr. Chairman, we have before you 17 AGA executives of APC. They've decamped, or they want to formally do it again. And we have some ward chairmen and some ward executives and some leaders across the board. So all the AGA executives of APC. And also, we have Labour chairman here. One Labour chairman who also want to decamp. Please, come here.
Promise me for APC chairman, I promise you that.
Okay. It is now. PDP, yes to Nigeria. Good afternoon, the party leaders here present. Good afternoon, the party faithfuls. Well, first and foremost, I would say the liaison officer has said many, and I believe in him that we are not going to lose any word in this local government. And I'm assuring the electorate, the party member, that if anybody comes to you, because I'm hearing some voices outside that we will now vote for the president. Go and vote for the president, for Ajoto, for Yakini, and for Donald Okowa. They are our candidates. When you quarrel must be settled. We don't quarrel and stay and die over it. It's nonsense. Our leaders are. We are bossing here and we are saying everything here. We left everything in you people's hands because what we need, we all know what we take to do election. We need you people's help too. So that nobody will come here and start playing us or shortchange us. I want to assure you people that Akoko Edo will even give the most highest vote in Edo State. It's not that. We are not doubting it. We will work hard. Because we do first in the first election in the Edo North. So this time we see paper higher than what we have before.
PDP. Now, when I also say PDP, say Okowa. PDP, PDP, PDP. My dear people, I have the pleasure to stand before you again after so many years. Today, I bring you good tidings, tidings of victory. Do you want to claim it? Yes. Victory! PDP victory! PDP is the grace given to restructure Nigeria and rescue it. It is you who will now make sure you fulfill the earthly laws by casting your vote for PDP. That is your obligation. Vote for PDP. Do not say, I was quarreling with my brother, therefore he is no longer my brother. Is that correct? Your brother is always your brother. Is that not so? I'm not hearing you. If your brother is always your brother, say aye. If your brother is always your brother, say aye. Do not vote for Labour. Otherwise, you will be a laborer. What will you be? A laborer. What will you be? If you vote for Labour, what will you be? Let your vote count. If you have a neighbor who you have quarreled with and you are a Christian, go to him and say, my dear brother, let us unite. If you are a Muslim, when you say As-salamu alaikum, you are saying peace be unto you. That means you must be ready to embrace your brother. Is that not correct? PDP, I'm not hearing anything. PDP, PDP. May God be with us. May we see the victory day, so that prosperity will once more reign on our land. Amen.
And you are seeing the crowd here, so we are very sure and very confident that Edo people will give the PDP 90% of their votes in the upcoming elections. And we think they'll be doing the right thing, because PDP is the only party that can really help to sort out the problems of this country as we speak.
Our people are quite sensitized and mobilized, but we still have a lot of work to do at the polling unit level. Definitely PDP will win the election. There's no doubt about that. It is the margin we are bothered about.
This election is a done deal. Absolutely done deal. APC has made it so easy for the whole of Nigeria. And I cannot see anybody in his right senses, anybody from an adolescent to an adult, casting a single vote for APC. How they be sheer madness? I rest my case there.
A man that is knowledgeable, that has the goodwill of the people at heart to run this country once again. And that man is Atiku. He's really the best.